guys. I go now outside, guys. Too much hot in Dubai. So I still use this, guys, kasi nga tamad ako I'm lazy to use umbrella. So I use this one. I need to go to Nakheel Mall kasi, guys, nga meron akong bibilhin. So walang wifi sa bahay. No wifi. I don't know what happened to the wifi. So I need to go there in the Nakheel Mall to connect wifi because I need to talk to my daughter. Since 12 o'clock daw ng gabi, nawala yung wifi. No wifi connection. I don't know what happened to the loop. I need to walk like 25 minutes going to Nakheel Mall. Guys, very hot in Dubai. I will eat my lunch after I come back. Go back home.